Joe, the collection's you.
Okay. We're gonna start just Logan's down in full guard, and I'm just getting out of it in a different way. On Wednesday, I went over knee in the middle, putting your foot back. Today we'll basically do the same thing, just first, like Nick likes to do, step up to the feet, put my whatever leg I like to lead with my left, and step back, and let his ass slide down my shin, just like this. Now I'm gonna follow, because he's not just gonna leave his legs out open so I can pass easy. He'll come into guard, maybe try to attack triangles and whatnot. But we're just gonna pass to his left leg, my left leg. I'm passing this way, getting my underhook as fast as possible. If he's stopping me from getting the underhook tight, then I'm just gonna sit, basically pass, or I'll sit right here and fight for a little while. It's not like as soon as I get here I'm passing. I'm fighting, trying to get my underhook, and then when I feel it, boom, I pass. So here, if he locks me up in quarter guard, here I'm just pushing and coming out to side control. Okay? So the break, the guard break. This one is preferable. There's more gravity on my side, and when I'm down here trying to break the guard, he can still grab my head. So stepping up here, he can't reach my head. He'll try to grab my feet, but luckily I can move quick. So now I like to push down on the knee. I guess you don't necessarily have to. Like if I had a full grip up here, I don't need to. Or if I just slice well, I guess I don't need to, but I like to. I push and I grab his wrist. This is like my position. I start here to be safe, because if he attacks quick, I want to try to get better grips than him. So I pause, I broke his guard open, I'm safe, I'm not getting attacked right away. Push down, I'll dive, I gotta get past his leg first. And then I'll go for the underhook, step, he locks it, quarter guard, I push, and then I pass forward. Okay, last round. This one allows him to attack. This one, push. If he just goes like this, you don't really need to push on the knee either. So he's gonna end up here. Yeah, boom, good. Underhook. I get as tight of a grip as you can here. Obviously, this is what's putting pressure on his upper body. So I'm not just connecting my hands. I like to pretzel grip. Here, I'm trying to put pressure in my shoulder, take him off, and then walk his hips back. Okay? Questions? It's a lot for you. For now, everyone's looking great. A couple things. When I'm deciding what I'm doing, I sit right here. If I haven't decided that I want to pass yet, then I'm still right here. He'll bring his legs up so he's not just like that. But sometimes the decision is to just back out and start passing from here. Okay, so just because you did a nice log splitter break and you're here, doesn't mean that I'm going to be able to get through if he's tight enough. Okay, but I am safe from full guard. Just to keep that in mind. Okay. So passing over. We're going to work from quarter guard. So he does all this work. Boom. You get to here. Pass this way. So right away, I'm getting my quarter guard. What needs to happen is I protect my underhook. So if I need to, pummel back in, press him up, and get my underhook. But for now, just stay nice and tight so we have our arms both inside, okay? So he passed, and I stopped him from getting the underhook. I'm gonna take my top side hand, my left arm in this case, and hook his knee, and I'm gonna block this arm from doing anything to my head because he wants to underhook here and flatten me out, and that'll stop what I want to do. So we've been working on just passing the past couple days, just passing past the legs, but now we're going to re-guard, okay? So I'm going to use my cup on his knee and him not able to choke me to my advantage. Now I'm going to just reverse shrimp. So if I really need to, I'll keep my legs tight and try to do this in a slow, tight ball, but I can use an actual reverse shrimp here and pull his knee up to me so it's on top, okay? If he stays sitting back, this may not work because he's stopping my legs, but in that case I'll just sit up and start working dogfight or some other things. But if he's still leaning, pressing his weight forward, and I go here, boom, I'm gonna pummel my feet around, spin to them. So that's it. So my feet were here. I'm gonna bring my bottom foot under to instep, and my right foot around. Now with my hands, I was blocking. I'm gonna go 2-on-1 and push. And now I'm in half guard. Okay, so again, from quarter guard. I'm inside. I have a grip on his knee, and I'm stopping his arm from attacking me. This is very important because if he can get my head, I can't do this pass. So I'm very firm with this frame. This is my safety right now. Now I'm going to reverse shrimp. And if I can, swim my legs right away. If I need to, I'll push till I can reach. Now I push, and I keep my underhook, or I dig an underhook. That's important. If you know lockdown, you can start working for lockdown. I prefer dogfight, so I would just get up to my elbow, and start digging to get up. Okay, but getting to half guard is the goal. There's 1,000 things that could happen here, but if I have this whole leg trapped, I'm a lot better off than him passing my guard. Okay? So again, we're here. I'm inside safe. I don't have an underhook because, like I said, you might be susceptible to getting darts. Here, I'm safe. I cup his bicep, I cup his knee, and I reverse. Me going to my back brings him up. I can't just pull his knee onto me while I'm on my side. It'll just remain on the ground. So I reverse, shrimp, or just get to my back however you want. And now I'm just pushing and trying to hook. If I need to use the top leg, this is the grip, but sometimes I'll just go like this and I get up. So get really comfortable, slide in. Work on this dexterity drill. Just go here, boom. Pull my knee to my face, palm under. Knee to face, under. You can't do it like this. Here, under. That will be back steps. That's what this is for. Otherwise, I'll just push. Now we're at least up. Okay? So, from the beginning, he's in my guard, I'm winning. He breaks my guard, I'm losing, he passes. You can go this way now, boom. And look, immediately when he slices, I go to the knee so he can't keep passing. Now I pull it, boom. And now he should be stuck for a moment. He should be like balancing. However, boom, half guard. Cool. I'll come around and help. This is awkward. But the dexterity is just knee to your face, under. Knee, under. You can't go foot first. Knee first, then you under. And now if he slices even further that way, I just elevate him. And now I'm outside. And then Aaron Milan will be happy. Okay? On 3. 1, 2.